Hey folks, Chef Kazi here. Look, today I'm going to make something completely different, and it's no recipe for this, but I'm going to modify it my way and I create my own recipe. That will be, I bought some cheese tortellini yesterday. So I'm going to make some kind of sauce. I'm thinking about the creamy touch of tomato, but not the rosé sauce, okay? That will be kind of appetizer. And then I bought some lasagna also, dry lasagna from the store. And I cook some ground beef with a tomato base, some lots of herbs on it. And I'll do some kind of thing. So let's see. All right. Probably make few garlic breads also. So folks, I'm boiling the water here. Salt and regular vegetable oil. There's the tortellini. Around tablespoon of or extra virgin olive oil. This is the pesto sauce. I put the light cream. So here is 80% cook. That's Parmesan cheese. You know, macaroni cheese, that will come up with. Wow, look good. Look really nice. Okay, other side, the water is boiling, okay? So folks, what I did here, I crack all the lasagna, okay? So this is the ground beef. I make it like a chunk and air fryer for a few minutes. Now I'm going to add in the tomato. I have no clue how this will be. Taste will be good for sure. I just put my imagination, that's all. Beautiful. So folks, 3 hot dog bun. Let's make garlic cheese bread. It's too thick, so I thin it up to one side. Here, hey, one tortellini here. Okay, that's fine. Now, oh, did you see what's going on? Cannot call this lasagna, but this is better than lasagna anyway. Okay, now I have some Parmesan cheese here. Beautiful, beautiful. If I hold this one, it's going to be tilt and going to fall everywhere. So I have to put some tray underneath. Let me get one tray. Excellent. Here you go, folks. So I'm going to put inside the oven, and this will be lasagna al forno. Here you go. I'll do it for 25 minutes and we'll be back after 25 minutes. Okay? Stop recording. So folks, here you go. Lasagna al forno, my style. Garlic cheese bread and tortellini with a macaroni cheese. I mean the macaroni and cheese style, this tortellini. The cheese tortellini, okay? So folks, I did 3 items. Nobody's home now. The kids then will come from work. My wife is in her mother house. And I did the part. So you want to see other side? Okay, let me show you. I'm going to clean all this thing, okay? So folks, you see what I did, all right? Man, I need your support, okay? Please. If you like this video, please subscribe. If you didn't subscribe yet, hit the like button, press the bell button, share the video. That's main big thing for me, okay? I don't know. I'm planning to retire, but I don't know. Few weeks, few months, few years. You guys tell me. Next April, I'll be 70. I have some physical issue, but still I'm working. All right, folks. Have a good day. Take care of yourself until the next video.